everyone. Today, let's dive into the world of DORA regulations and find out how you can easily comply with them. If you're a regulatory compliance officer, this is the perfect guide for you. DORA, or the Digital Operational Resilience Act, is a framework aimed at ensuring that all financial entities have robust digital operational resilience. Sounds a bit heavy, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down for you step by step. Step 1. Identify and map all your information and communication technology, ICT, assets. This includes everything from your software and hardware to data and service providers. Knowing what you have is the first step towards protecting it. Moving on to step 2, it's all about setting up an incident management framework. This should include detection, response, and recovery plans for any ICT-related disruptions. Make sure these plans are not just on paper, but are actively practiced and updated. Step 3 involves continuous testing and learning. You need to routinely test your ICT systems and processes to ensure they can withstand various types of disruptions. This could be anything from cyber attacks to simple system failures. And finally, step 4, reporting and information sharing. Under DORA, it's crucial that you report significant cyber threats and incidents to the relevant authorities. Also, sharing information about risks with other entities can help improve the overall resilience of the financial sector. So there you have it. 4 straightforward steps to ensure your organization is compliant with DORA regulations. Remember, the goal here isn't just to check a box on a compliance sheet, but to genuinely safeguard your operations in this digital age. I hope this guide helps you navigate these regulations with more confidence. Stay resilient and see you in the next video.